Take one.
Ready? Say after me. It's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take on me. Take on me.
Up this mountain, right behind me. Bad boy there. It's
Urkeegga.
it's a little bit high. We're a little bit tired, but it's gonna be a good time. Spirits are. Where are we at here? I'd say I'm pretty.
Okay,
I would say
Start high. You know?
I start off the hike with feeling like a 6 out of 10.
that's good.
So it's not too bad. We'll see in a bit.
I say I'm a 7.
Okay, solid.
I think I'm a 7 that could drop pretty quick.
Okay, I'm more like solid 6.
I think I'm 7.5.
Okay, solid.
All right, we'll see you once we're sweating.
All right.
That will drop quick.
Aye aye aye.
Sometimes
Me too. We're halfway.
We're over halfway.
We're halfway there. Beautiful mountain behind us, or in front of us.
Yeah.
First good stop. Doing well. Team morale is high.
Team morale.
Still 7.5. Norwegian chocolate. The boys are here. 500 meters elevation. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Come on! Come on!
We made it. Welcome to the party.
All this stuff.
What do you think, Ben?
This place is incredible. Oh my goodness. Boys, we did it.
We did it.
What are we gonna do now?
I'll take a little walk around, see the backside there. Haven't seen the view there yet.
Alright, Hans, what did we find here?
We found probably the toilet with the best view in the whole world.
Ooh. Really? Show us, Ben. No.
What do you want me to show you? Take down your pants. Yeah, this is the best view in the world. You ready?
No.
Whoa! Camping spot for the night. Be all cuddled up. Yeah. Wake up to the best view. See? You never ends because the sun never sets.
That's true.
Breakfast. Cooking the apple.
What do we have, chef?
We got some apples. We got some oats with looks like a little bit of cinnamon.
Yes.
Nice.
Water.
A little bit of snow.
Hans, we have Yaku coffee. It's ready. Mmm. Oh. Yeah.
Morning, Hansi. Stefan's coffee, all those fancy little things, and then we've got my coffee, courtesy of El Cafe, frothy and creamy, coffee soup, sashes, coffee soup.
Yeah. You guys ready to roll?
Let's do this. Come on.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, my entire leg is gone. I don't know if I can get up.
Oh. Oh wow, this was steep. We still have some way to get to the trail. We're going down the valley, but it's good.
So steep. So where are we?
Welcome to the Norwegian jungle. After
You got nothing on me! You got nothing on me!
after 2 weeks of being in the jungle, we made it to the official trail.
Yeah, guys, welcome.
We just did
Good
that.
job.
We're up there. Straight on down.
Whoa.
Nice.
We have eggs.
Tortillas.
Nice. This.
A little bit of cucumber.
Ba. And this view.
Yeah. Getting that nice tarmac, you know?
Yeah. Getting back to the fjord. Yo, yo, yo.
Journey. Last ferry of the day.
It's pretty windy.
Oh yeah, close up of the meatballs.
Gotta go there. Alright, thank you.
Look at that.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Sharing the food.
It's been a while since that old town down by the water, stones from the ground. Take me home to the friends I've always known.
There is coming.
Ferry's coming.
We're
Last
close,
ferry of the trip.
close to the end of our adventure.
Hitchhiking has been successful.
Met some great people along the way.
Nice. So what do you guys think about this adventure?
Best hike I've ever done in Norway.
Oh.
It made my top 3 for sure. One of the best. It's amazing.
Cool.
Yeah.